Fancy dinner fail, smiley face emoji. So last Saturday, my mom decided we were overdue for a fancy family dinner. This was already suspicious because, in our house, fancy usually means she remembered to buy napkins. But she was on a mission. She sent out a group text demanding we wear semi-formal attire and said dinner would be served at 6 o'clock sharp. When I arrived, my dad was wearing a suit jacket with basketball shorts, my sister had on a prom dress and fuzzy slippers, and my brother had interpreted semi-formal as clean t-shirt. Classic. I walked into the dining room and immediately noticed the table was set with paper plates, plastic forks, and what can only be described as the world's most avant-garde centerpiece, a pyramid of toilet paper rolls, crowned with a single, solemn birthday candle. My mom beamed and said, "It's minimalist chic." My brother whispered, "It's a teepee-topia." We sat down, and Dad tried to carve the rotisserie chicken with a plastic knife, which instantly snapped in half like a breadstick. Everyone politely ignored the fact that our wine glasses were actually red Solo cups filled with grape Fanta. Things started to go downhill when my sister tried to pass the mashed potatoes, but the serving spoon was actually a ladle from the garage, probably last used for car washing. The TP centerpiece kept unrolling every time someone reached for the salt, so by the time we got to dessert, the table looked like it had been picked by a gang of very polite raccoons. My mom tried to salvage the mood by lighting the birthday candle, which immediately set the top TP roll smoldering, causing us all to panic and douse it with grape Fanta. The candle survived, but the centerpiece was now a sticky, purple, soggy mess. We ended the night by toasting with our Fanta and my dad declaring, Martha Stewart would be proud, or at least, she'd be relieved she wasn't invited. But honestly, as I surveyed the carnage of plastic cutlery, paper plates, and the world's first ever flambeed toilet paper sculpture, I realized my family doesn't need Martha Stewart. We just need to roll with it.